Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Alrighty, so it is a beautiful day and we are just getting started on the VRSF downpipe install. Super excited on this one. I'm going to show you the downpipe in a second, but I'm going to start off by taking the O2 sensors and pretty much working it. I'm not going to make a tutorial, just kind of on what the tips and tricks are to doing it. Super excited about this. I have my friend coming, but yeah, here she is. Alrighty, so the car's up on the lift, O2s are disconnected, and we should be ready to go to take it out. I think we got to take the underbelly out, and then one of these V-clamps, and there's another one up top, and then the downpipe should be out. I heard it's pretty complicated, so we will see. And here's the VRSF downpipe. Very nice stainless steel. I'll try to take it out of here. There we go. Take a better look. So definitely looks really good. And yeah, let's get this started. Alrighty guys, so the downpipe, it is off now. It wasn't too bad. Obviously I didn't do it, he did it, but it wasn't too bad. We pretty much pulled this back and we were able to get it pretty much through that hole. The bolt is kind of hard to see once it's in there, but after you get pretty much an extension in there, it's not too bad. We did end up taking every single shield down below off, because this is the X-Drive model. It has a little more stuff right here, so it's a little more clustered up, a little harder, but overall not too bad. Right now we're going to pretty much take the O2 sensors out of the old catted one into the new one catless, and yeah, we should be good.
For real? You gotta get your hands dirty. Get some flag.
Just wrapped everything up. Right now I'm going to clean up the shop real quick, and then we are going to get some more sound clips. But it does sound really good, not too loud, but it does sound really good, and the pops are definitely louder. Still not noticed. A little bit.
You can hear him on deceleration. And if they don't get cleared, I have a code clear.
Check engine lights on.
Yeah, so turn your car off. Hit it again. Lights completely turn it off.
That's good. I think.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus and see what the burbles sound like. They're supposed to be a lot louder, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's a big difference. Oh my goodness.